Hello, Math 20-3 students. Today we're going to be talking about surface area and volume of spheres. I posted a video on how a sphere's volume is developed from the volume of a cylinder, so please watch that and you will notice that the volume the volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So let's try one of these questions. I'll give you the solution to the first one, and then I'll get you to try some of the other ones on your own. So notice that the radius of this sphere is 7 inches. So we're going to use the formula 4/3. Now, 4/3 means multiply by 4 and divide by 3. So I'll set up the formula in that fashion. 4 times pi times the radius, which is 7 in this case, cubed. And we have to divide that whole thing by 3. Okay, when you do that, 7 cubed is 343. Multiply that by pi, multiply that by 4, and then divide that whole thing by 3, and you'll end up with 1,436.0 inches. And because we're talking about volume, the units are cubed. So you try BC and question 2, and I'm going to also do the golf balls example. So golf balls are stacked 3 high in a rectangular prism. The diameter of one ball is 4.3 centimeters. What is the minimum amount of material needed to make the box? So if you notice in this box, it's got 3 golf balls, and it says that each golf ball has a diameter of 4.3. So this is 4.3, that is 4.3, and that is 4.3. So if you multiply 4.3 by 3, you're going to get the height of that box, which in this case is 12.9. And the width of that box is the diameter of one golf ball, or 4.3. And the length, again, is one golf ball's diameter, or 4.3. So if we're going to find the volume, actually in this case we're finding the surface area of the box. So surface area, we need the area of this side here. Okay, and that's 12.9 by 4.3. But notice that that is the same for all 4 of the sides. So I'm just going to multiply that by 4. And you get a total surface area for the 4 sides of 21.9. And then the bottom and the top of the box, this bottom here and this top, are 4.3 by 4.3. And there's 2 of them. And that equals 37.0. So I'm going to add those 2 together. I'll get 258.9 centimeters squared. So that's the amount of material that would need to be used to make the box for the 3 golf balls. Let's look at the next one. What is the volume of empty space in the box of golf balls? So if I calculate the volume of the box, then the volume of the 3 golf balls, and subtract the 2, I'll find the volume of the empty space. So let's calculate the volume of the box. Volume of the box is equal to the three dimensions of the box multiplied together. So 12.9 by 4.3 by 4.3. And you multiply all those three together and you get 238.5 centimeters cubed. 238.5 centimeters cubed. Let's try writing that again. .5 centimeters cubed. There. Okay, now the volume of one of the balls. The volume of ball, golf ball. And we're going to use the formula, 4/3 pi r cubed. 4/3 pi. Now the radius of one golf ball is half of its diameter, and half of 4.3 is 2.15. 2.15 cubed. And 2.15 cubed times pi times 4 divided by 3 is 41.6 centimeters cubed. Now there's 3 golf balls. So I'm going to multiply that by 3, and I'm going to get 124.8 centimeters cubed. So now what I'm going to do is subtract these two numbers, the 238.5 and the 124.8, and that will give me the volume of the empty space. So I'll just put that down here. Volume of empty space is equal to 238.5 minus 124.8. That is 113.7 centimeters. Okay. You try question C, similar to question B, but instead of 3 golf balls, we've got 12 golf balls.